Hi, Sunny.
Hi.
Happy Thursday.
It's Thursday.
Yes. Oh, how are you?
Little tired.
Oh, I see. Oh, you had tennis practice. Oh, badminton.
Badminton.
Yes.
Yes.
What did you do this morning?
Morning. I meet my friend.
Oh, okay. And where did you go?
Restaurant.
Oh, wow. And what did you order?
Korean barbecue.
Okay. All right. And what else did you do today?
I changed my phone.
Oh, why? Change to iPhone?
No.
Oh, no.
Galaxy Z Flip.
Oh, Galaxy. Oh,
Yes.
is it like the...
Yes.
Oh. Oh, the big one?
No. 이렇게. Here.
Oh, I see. Okay. So that's your new phone.
Yes.
Why did you change your phone?
Just.
Oh, I see. Okay. Nice. Alright. Oh, how many times do you change your phone in 1 year?
Three.
Oh, 3. Oh,
3.
Okay. So let's have activities today. Okay, so I'm fixing my sink. Right, so hi, what are you doing?
I'm fixing my sink.
What's Bob doing?
He's fixing his car.
What's Mary doing?
She's cleaning her room.
And what are you doing?
We are cleaning our apartment.
What are your children doing?
They are doing homework.
Their homework. Yes. Okay. Alright, so remember this one. Okay, so I, mine. Okay, like, I'm eating mine. Dinner. I'm mine. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's try. Sunny, what are you doing?
I'm studying my English book.
Yes, that's correct. Nice one. So let's try this one. Let's say playing baseball.
He's
Mhm.
He's playing baseball in his yard.
Okay. Mhm. Next one is reading. So, what's Susan doing?
She's reading her book.
All right, next one, painting. What's Billy doing?
He's painting his flower.
Oh, yes. Drawing. So what's Nico doing?
He's drawing his cat.
Very good. This time, make a simple sentence. Okay. Let's say we and are. So like this.
We are reading our newspaper.
Nice newspaper. That's good. Next, use you, your.
Your feeding your pet.
Nice, very good. All right, next, they, their.
They are planting their garden.
That's very good. Next is he, his. So what's Johnny doing?
He's washing his food.
Oh, nice. Okay. She, her. What's Karen doing?
She's cleaning her room.
Oh, nice one. Okay. Next is, are you busy? Okay. Are you busy?
Yes, I am. I'm washing my hair.
Nice. So let's try number 1. Is Frank busy?
Yes, he is. He's cleaning his apartment.
Nice. Number 2. Is Helen busy?
Yes, she is. She's feeding her cat.
Okay, number 3. Are you busy?
Yes, I am. We fixing our TV?
Okay, number 4. Are Jane and Lisa busy?
Yes, they are.
Mhm.
They painting their bedroom.
Nice. Number 5. Are you busy?
Yes, I am.
Mhm.
I'm doing my homework.
And number 6. Is Richard busy?
Yes, he is.
Mhm.
He's washing his clothes.
Nice one. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So that's it for today. You did a wonderful job. All right. So, Sunny, thank you. And enjoy your weekend.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Goodbye.